our HTML is capable to handle the a lot of embedded content, like a embedded programming languages. I said, if I want to make a full-fledged website, there is a three parts are important. First is what? HTML. HTML is like your skeleton, a human skeleton, right? CSS means what? It's like your designing part, right? It's a designing of your human, like a skin, eyes color, hair color, my face color, even I can say the clothes, my watch. This is using by what? CSS. Okay. And the MySQL, it's like a stomach, right? Means whatever I am eating, it will be going inside of my stomach. It's like your database. MySQL is our database. So whatever this programming language we have, CSS, HTML, sorry, CSS, after that MySQL and the JavaScript, we can add inside of our HTML page. That's why they are calling HTML is the embedded content. We can add the lot of stuff, attach with the lot of stuff with the what? Our HTML page. Getting? Perfect. Now let's go to the next slide. This is the syntax. Syntax means what? If we are not writing a syntax as the developer are written, then it will be showing the syntax error. So don't miss this syntax. Like the if you are writing the suppose if you are writing the opening tag and maybe you are forgetting over here this less than sign, then it will be not showing over there properly. There is a syntax error. Getting? In previous class we done what is the syntax, right? So every time be aware that is it you are opening and closing properly or not? Is it your spelling mistake is there inside of your HTML or not? Check that. But when we are using VS Code, there is a low chances to make a mistake, right? Everything we can see like it's like a juju stuff. It will be done within the second. So there is no any mistake inside of your coding. This is the explanation, guys. HTML open and HTML close is what? HTML open are saying what? This tell to the browser. This is the starting point of your document. Okay, and closing means what? Tell to your browser. This is the ending point of your document. Head open and head close is we can mention the header part on our head tags. Okay, title means what? For the title of your document. Body open and body close is what? Mentioning the content of your web page. Okay, and whatever we need to add anything inside of the website, we need to add over here. Where? In body only. And this is the paragraph tag for paragraph purpose. Okay, this is the explanation also for all things how to install the VS Code. So let me show to the another video. So I'm stopping this video over here only. Thank you so much for this section. Let me stop that.